This video I'm going to explain how to generate leads just using Instagram stories. So let's get started over here. So here we are in the analytics tabs over here. So let me head over to tools sections over here. So in the tool sections, you have these Instagram story automations. Build stronger relationship with your followers by automatically replying to people that respond to your stories. So the idea is to push followers or encourage followers to send you a DM with a specific kind of keyword to some kind of offers or whatever the promotions you're actually running. For example, let me share my phone screen over here, and here if I show you a story posted by Chatting Media, it says custom chat automation system for your business, DM us book to learn more, and it says DM the particular keyword book to learn more. So once they send us this particular keyword book, then the automation will be triggered over here. For that we have to actually set some Instagram story automation over here. So let me open that over here, and when they send the specific keyword book over here, we want to trigger a chatbot flow. That particular chatbot flow is already created over here, so let me show that as well. So here we are in the Instagram story automations. So let's create one. So let me say, since they have to send the keyword book, so let me simply create a new Instagram story automation with the keyword book. So you can actually choose specific stories, or you can track all stories as well. So here if you choose specific stories, you can actually select whatever the stories you have available. So at the moment we have only this particular story over here. So if you select this particular story only, the people who send a specific kind of keyword, or if they actually respond to that particular spending only on this story, will be triggered. But if you have actually plans to promote the same promotion again and again for a while in several stories in the coming days as well, you can simply go with all stories and reply with. So we already have created a particular flow. So when they send the keyword book over here, we want to actually ask them few lead qualification questions about why they actually, what sort of automations they need, what is their budget, and also we actually ask on what channels they are planning to implement the automations, and also based on the answers we actually qualifying the leads. Suppose if they choose internal processes, we simply say we do not actually offer those kind of services, and if they don't have any kind of budget, we also simply say we actually not a good fit for at the moment, and we also label that particular contact as unqualified lead over here. And if they actually qualified, we actually marking them as qualified and asking if they are actually interested in booking an appointment. As you see here, we can schedule a call with one of the expert, and if they confirm yes, we actually provide for them to book an appointment on the calendar. If they say no, we simply say all right, feel free to reach out when you are ready. If you have more questions, I'm here to help. And here another important thing is that this is a qualified lead, but they actually saying no to call. So here actually we are actually adding that particular contact to our follow-up list, and also adding a note saying qualified lead but not ready for a call, something like that. So that's how this particular flow is set up. Now we have to simply set up this Instagram story automation. So let me choose all stories, and for the flow I can choose whatever the flow. So if I search as Instagram, so let me search as stories over here, Instagram stories to leads. So this is the exact flow as you see here. And here we have this reply to, and I choose user replies to equal keyword book, because here if you check the stories, it says DM us keyword book to learn more. So we want to track the keyword or story replies with this particular specific keyword book, and click save over here. Let's make sure this is active as well. All right, this is active, and when someone says book, this particular automation will be triggered. So, and also if a particular lead is marked as unqualified over here, for example, if they choose internal process, or if they don't have any budget, we will actually add a tag unqualified. But if they actually try to go through the flow once again, we simply still send that unqualified message again and again for them. I will show this in the test as well. So let's get started over here. So let me simply show how this actually works on Instagram. So let me send a DM. Let me open this story over here, and let's say as a customer I'm seeing this particular story and it says DM us book. So let me simply send this keyword book over here and see what happens. Already send the keyword. Let's see what happens over here. And it says, thanks for your interest in our services. To better assist you, could you provide more details about the specific automation you are interested? So they can either choose sales and marketing, customer support, or internal process. So let me choose sales and marketing over here. And it should actually goes to the next question. Great choice. Before we proceed, do you have a budget in mind for the automation project? So here it actually asks about the budget. So let me choose 1,500 to 3,500. And it actually goes to the next question. Excellent. To better tailor our services, could you let us know which communication channels you would like to automation? So here they have what sort of communication. So let me choose Instagram over here. And it should goes for the next question. Thanks for providing that information. If you are ready to discuss your project in more detail, we can schedule a call with one of our experts. Would you like to proceed with that? So here let me say no over here and see what happens. So it simply says, all right, feel free to reach out whenever you are ready. If you have any more questions, I'm here to help. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to go to this particular inbox over here, and if you remember, if they say no, we actually add mark the conversation as follow-up and also add notes here as well. So here if I go to this profile over here, so this is the exact profile, Instagram profile we were testing, and here a note is added over here. As you see here, qualified lead but not ready for a call now, the exact time, and here you can find the channels, the budget, the sales and marketing, those kind of things. So we can also even send this particular flow through this omnichannel inbox as well. So let me send this same flow again through this inbox, and let me choose a yes over here. So let's see what happens. So let me simply choose customer support this time, and let me quickly go through this one again because I want to choose a yes, I'm ready for a call at that moment. So let me choose Instagram again. So in this step I want to choose yes. So if you choose yes, it simply provide an option to book a call. So as you see here, great, tap the button below to pick a date and time, and if you tap on this button, it simply open the Calendly link, and from there they can choose whatever the date and time they want to book an appointment and fill out all the details over there. So that's how this actually works. Suppose if a particular lead is not qualified, so we can actually test this again one more time. So if a particular lead is not qualified, so before that let me refresh this particular profile or the page over here. So here we will see the latest data, customer support Instagram, and here if you see the tag, it says qualified lead over here. So let me simply remove all these things over here, and let's test this again over here. So here if you choose internal processes, it will be marked as unqualified lead, but here let me choose sales and marketing, but in the for the budget question I'm going to choose none. If someone choose none, then they will be actually marked as unqualified. It says, thanks for checking out, it seems our current offerings may not be the perfect fit for you right now. No worries. If you need change or have any questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. And if I refresh this particular same page over here, we should see this particular tag as unqualified lead, and if you see unqualified lead, that's how you can actually use Instagram stories to generate highly qualified leads for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.